How to verify your Bitget account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open Bitget website or app on your device and make sure to log into your account with your credentials to access your account dashboard. You can even start the verification process by tapping on Verify button from your homepage, or you can go ahead and tap 9 dots at top left corner and under your username, you will find on verified sign. Simply tap on it at top left corner, then you will reach on this section. So here are the three verification requirements, that is government issued documents, face recognitions verification and estimated review time. Simply tap verify button and tap while using the app to allow Bitget to take pictures and record video. Now, you need to make sure you have a government issued document ready such as ID card, passport, or driver license. Here you need to select the ID type, that is, enter all the credentials of identity verifications like country, issuing country, and ID type, and tap on continue button. Now you have to upload your document. You can take a photo of your ID or upload it from your device. You can easily tap on continue button and confirm your upload. You can complete the facial recognition as well and wait for the review. With a verified Bitget account, you will unlock additional features like increased average withdrawals, limits, and access to special trading promotions. And with this, you will verify your Bitget account. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.